Found a great product over the weekend, TikTok product that was gone absolutely insane. I thought it was really interesting to see how that has happened and to show you the power of getting these influencers behind your product so you can make yourself a ton of money. Let me show you exactly how to do it. This particular product represents a very interesting way of it being marketed. So this dude here, Mr. Deals, there's another lady as well that I found, but it's gotten onto TikTok and it's become a crazy TikTok trend. So this dude here did a video of him bursting balloons on this, okay? And it's been watched like about 1 million times, something like that. Yeah, it got really, really trendy. And so I thought, oh, that's interesting. And then I found his link. He is Mr. Deals. So his entire business model is as an Amazon affiliate, which is interesting in and of itself. Amazon affiliate. And here's his thing. Let me show you these. So all of these go through that. And you can see he just does deals, 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 deals. Okay. High pressure Amazon thing. You can see all the links. Let's just follow one through. All the links come through as link ID. You can see that there. Link ID 92077, which tells you that's through the Amazon Associate Program, aka Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so all of his stuff is Amazon affiliate programs. Anyway, so as a result of that, it actually made it onto this thing here, which is something called TikTok Made Me Buy It. So TikTok Made Me Buy It is a huge thing on TikTok. And so what Amazon's actually done now, as a result of these TikTok trends, but I found a page on Amazon that is now solely devoted to viral products on social media. So nothing at all to do with Amazon's advertising. These are products that have gone crazy on social media. So that tells you that Amazon's kind of really taking notice about that. They must be looking at their traffic sources and seeing that come through, which is kind of interesting. So TikTok Made Me Buy It. So what do you reckon this product does? I think the highest one was around about, what did we say? The bed of nails, probably somewhere in the region of, let's go find bed of nails. So this is internet famous, things that have gone viral on social media. Very, very cool. Good for ideas. The thing I like about this is you figure out why things go viral. And the reason is why they go viral is because you can demonstrate with them. You can show the product in use. And if you can show the product in use, you can show it being used in a weird kind of way, like the dude with the balloons on this particular product. So let's go back to the product. Let's see what it makes. Cool product. So this is number 1983 in Health and Household BSR ranking. So that translates to, so based on their bestseller rank, which is under 2,000, they're making approximately 142,000 sales per month at an average cost per sale of $25. That's 3.5 million per month from that one product. There's a lot of copies of that product, yeah. But look, they all kind of go for the main product, yeah. And this is, I think, the secret here is that they're getting they're getting everything sent off of Amazon to this main product. Anyway, I thought it was kind of neat. Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community equity of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.